Toyota Fortuner. Problem is 4-wheel not working. See warning light, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, mode change, malfunction, visit your dealer. ABS and traction light on and 4-wheel light blinking. Okay, that's the problem. In this video I will show you how you can solve this problem and 4-wheel drive working condition. Okay, so first of all, check with our diagnosis tool where is the fault, and I already checked with my diagnosis tool. I got fault in U0416, invalid data received from dynamic control module VDC. Okay, that means somewhere wiring short or damage. Check here, 4-wheel is here downside. Check if the wiring good or not. Here is the 4-wheel drive control unit. You can see here this one. We check if wiring loose or something. No, wiring is perfect. There is no loose connection. Here is the 4-wheel control unit full. All wire are good. That means somewhere fault, not here. Now check front wheel speed sensor wiring. See, this is front left side with battery side, and wheel speed sensor wiring is here, and I got fault here. You can see wire not connecting, or I think anybody remove radiator or whatever he work, they did not fix it. See, and that's the problem, because it's if vehicle speed sensor not working, 4-wheel also not engage. That's the problem. Here's the issue. Okay, so we connect it properly and check. Here you can see I connect it properly, and now we check 4-wheel working or not. Now I start car and reset all fault code. Here you can see now there is no fault in ABS and 4-wheel. Pass, no fault, no fault. There is no warning light before ABS and traction or 4-wheel light blinking. Now it's perfect. Now I do in 4-wheel mode. See, first of all do neutral, then on 4-wheel H4. Here you can see 4-wheel connected, no blinking. And if you try to L4, see, this is also working perfect, and traction off. See, when 4-wheel connect, traction off. Great success. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.